Okay, Dulce and Roberto, I'm gonna show you guys how to make chia pudding. So I soaked 1 cup of cashews in enough water to fill it, kind of like if you're gonna soak frijoles al olla. I soaked it overnight, but you can also soak it for a minimum of 2 hours, no more than about 6 outside, because then it'll get a lot of bacteria in it. I'm gonna drain it. There you go, it should be super nice and soft. And then you have 3 cups of water. I'm gonna put the cashews inside. So then I'll put them in here. I don't measure the vanilla, but I think just based on baking a lot, that's about a half a teaspoon, maybe. Pones como tú quieres. If you want it to be more vanilla-y, vas a poner más. Want it to be less vanilla-y? Vanilla-y? Is that a word? I don't know. And then you put sea salt y con eso nomás poquito, like a little bit. Salt helps to bring out flavors and things. And another thing about your vanilla extract, you want it to be real Madagascar pure vanilla, because the other extracts have added alcohols, and I'm totally against it. Organic menthol dates, they taste better. In some recipes, you're gonna see that they use agave. I don't use agave anymore, not per se because it's bad for you, but it's not whole food. So I'm trying to go to like completely whole food based. And so you can use dates to sweeten everything. And dates are so delicious. They have a whole bunch of iron. They haven't been processed. So think as much whole foods as possible. I do anywhere between 6 to 8, depending on how sweet I want it. I normally like to only do 6, but because Alexia and my hermoso cariño have sweet tooths, I'm gonna do 8 today. And then I wanna leave it like that. And we're gonna blend it in a Vitamix. So when you're using a Vitamix, you want to start at the lowest setting, turn it on, and then you start to increase. Dates are also going to change the color of your chia, because it's at that season. And then you'll go. And I want it super, super smooth. And then I'll turn it off. Then you pour it into your bowl. It smells so good. I do about 1.5 cups of chia seeds to 3 cups. I measured it once, but and chia seeds you can buy like almost anywhere now. They're so cheap. And this part is the most important part. Chia seeds are gonna start to clump together in the water. And you wanna be able to break them apart. And chia seeds are kind of one of the staple foods. And what I mean by that, it's kind of one of the things that you should like eat every single day. It's a complete protein. It has all 9 essential amino acids. It's part of our indigenous culture, meaning it's grown here in the Americas. So some of the best elite runners in the world are from Mexico. They're indigenous, and they make like chia crackers. Y así nomás lo comen y corren. So healthy. So you're gonna wanna break it apart, and then you leave it in the fridge until it's doubled, anywhere between 3 to 4 hours at least. And you're gonna wanna go and stir it in between. I'm gonna wrap it in plastic wrap, and it's easy peasy. Yeah. Put it in the fridge. That's it. Done. Come out really good. True story.
So